We got some deal news to get to this morning. Intel announced it's going to buy MobilEye. The deal price around $15 billion. If you're a MobilEye shareholder, that's $63.54 a share, all cash. Intel going to pay that off of its balance sheet. It does have a lot of cash there. Let's talk to John Fortt a bit about the strategy behind this. Intel's decision here to move clearly into what it says is the data center of the future, namely one that has four wheels.
Yes, but whose data is it is part of the question. Dave, this is a huge deal for Intel. Intel did Altera. That was big. Intel's biggest deal of the modern era at $17 billion. This is $15 billion, so not that much smaller than that. Part of Intel's reasoning behind this, as they say in their press release, in 3 years they expect cars to generate around 4 terabytes of data per day. But a question is, whose data is that? Is that the car company's data? Is that your data? It's your car. Or does Intel get a share in that data to get smarter about how cars see the road, about what people want in their cars? Cars have become entertainment centers as well as vehicles that get us from place to place. And of course, self-driving is a part of this.
But MobilEye, obviously, their technology is specific to the autonomy of the car itself.
It is, and that's how Intel is pitching this. MobilEye's technology allows the car to see the road. It's got collision avoidance. It deals with self-parking. It deals with staying in the lane. But this also lines up with some other things that Intel has been working on outside of the car, like its RealSense technology. The PC can see you, recognize your face. To me, more broadly, this has to do with computing getting smarter about integrating with the world without having to rely on you to make decisions along the way. This is a clear departure from Intel's legacy as a PC company.
Who's going to be their biggest competitor on that front? NVIDIA? Aren't they?
NVIDIA is a big competitor here, but also some traditional automotive names, Bosch, Delphi, etc. Lots of them have smaller pieces of what MobilEye has tried to put together. So Intel's opportunity is that MobilEye has put so many of these technologies together and done it well. The danger is the car companies don't want to turn into PC companies. They don't want to turn into gray box makers of the future. And of course, we're going to be talking about all of that with Intel CEO Brian Krzanich, who's going to join us next hour in Squawk Out.
I remember when MobilEye went public right here behind us on the New York Stock Exchange, that whole contingent from Israel, and the stock has been very strong since then.
Well, it's been up and down. Okay. I mean, if you take a look, its stock has actually traded, I think, around the levels where Intel wants to buy it now, though MobilEye's board has already agreed to this price. Intel likes it. We'll see if it comes through as is. They're making this scale argument. Remember, Qualcomm bought NXP recently, also an autoplay, but from a slightly different direction. We have the next generation of chip wars brewing right here.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.